Passive income online with KDP, mostly $1,000 to $2,000 per book. Is this real? Or just a hoax? Yes, this is very much real and people already earning that much. The question is how? Yes, today I'm gonna show this answer how. To be honest to say, to achieve this result you need to work hard and be very dedicated. So I suggest you to watch this video very carefully. In the end of the video I will provide you valuable tips to boost your sales. My intention is to help you genuinely. So pray for me, pray for my success and peace. Now let's see on Amazon how much a book is performing. Go to Amazon.com, search for any book. Like I searched for this. A lots of book there. Grab this BSR number and put this on BSR calculator site. After that we should get the result. BSR rank is 3819. We put it on the box and calculate. So here we are. 812 books per month, 54 books per day. Generally, we profit $2 per book. So we multiply it by 2 and get 1,624. That's it, $1,624 earning per month with only one book. So let's get started. Open PowerPoint or Google Slide, which one you prefer. Go to Design then Slide Sizes. Insert 8.5 as width and 11 as height cause most of the kids' puzzle book sells pretty well in this size. Now go to this Bible verses site and copy a verse. Paste it on the slide. You may bold the text of verse number. Now also paste it on Notepad++. Select all the text and press Alt+U to make proper case of all words. Or you can do it manually by going here. Now press Ctrl+H to bring search window. In the Find What box place a space. And replace with box place /R/N, in the search mode below tick extended. Now press Replace All. Now you will get all the separate words with a single line. Delete any commas, full stops, small words etc. and copy 10 or 15 words. Now go to this site and paste is here in this box. You might want to set number of rows to 20 and number of columns to 20, then enter color to black well as circle color black cause our book will be print in black and white color. Answer can be in bold. Now click Generate Word Search, it will be generated within seconds. Download both of the puzzle image and solution image. Now go back to slide and paste those words. You can arrange those like this or whatever design you wish. Insert the puzzle image you just created. You may insert various clip art similar to your niches. Mine is Bible verse, so I inserted this. You can insert slide numbers, so it will automatically put page numbers like this. This is how you can do it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus D to duplicate the current slide and so on. After finishing all the pages, don't forget to insert solution pages. What have you downloaded earlier with the original word search? After completing the book, save it to PDF and it's ready to publish. I have used two different types of design. It's better not to copy anyone's design but to make one of your own. Now let's see how much time would take to complete a page. It takes approx 1 minute 25 seconds to complete one single page. So if you plan to make 100 pages book, it will take almost 2 hours and 40 minutes to complete a book. Bonus tips to boost your sales. 1. A buyer first look at the book cover, so make it beautiful and attractive. 2. After that people look for title and subtitle. So make it creative according to your book. 3. Take some time to write the book description very well. People want to know why this book they are buying. 4. Use good and strong keywords in the 7 keywords box to rank your book with competitors. Okay, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope this video helps you to start your passive income journey well. I have included all the tools name and website links in the description, feel free to check them. Thanks. Have a good day, or a good night.